Hi and welcome to Tech Curiosity. Today's episode is about a game-changing event in clean energy. New York State has just installed the first turbine in its groundbreaking South Fork Wind project. Let's see how this marks a significant step towards a cleaner, greener future. South Fork Wind is not just any project. It's a 130-megawatt venture, positioned 35 miles off Montauk. Said to be the first utility-scale wind farm in U.S. federal waters, it's poised to power 70,000 homes in Long Island and cut carbon emissions dramatically. We're talking about the equivalent of removing 60,000 cars off the roads each year. The project, a joint venture between Orsted and Eversource, employs 12 Siemens Gamma turbines. The installation, a feat of engineering, is conducted by the airless Offshore vessel. From the first foundation in June to the US-built Offshore substation in July, every step is a leap towards a sustainable future. But how does it all work? Each turbine is a powerhouse in its own right. As the wind blows, the blades rotate, capturing kinetic energy. This rotation turns a generator inside the nacelle, the compartment at the top of the turbine, converting the kinetic energy into electrical energy. How does this energy reach us? The answer lies beneath the waves. A network of underwater cables connects each turbine, channeling the electricity back to the shore. On shore, the energy undergoes transformation at substations, ensuring it's ready for our homes and businesses. This seamless integration of offshore wind power into our energy grid is a remarkable feat of engineering. South Fork Wind isn't just about clean energy. It's a boon for local employment, creating hundreds of jobs and bolstering 3 northeastern ports. This project is catalyzing a new domestic supply chain for offshore wind. South Fork Wind is a cornerstone of New York's bold vision for 9 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2035, aiming for 100% clean electricity by 2040. New York's offshore wind plans have seen challenges, including the recent veto by Governor Kathy Hochul on a bill for transmission planning. We'll delve into the controversies and the balance between progress and preservation. As we wrap up, it's clear that South Fork Wind is more than a project, it's a symbol of change. With all turbines expected by early 2024, New York is not just talking about clean energy, it's making it happen. Stay tuned with Tech Curiosity as we continue to follow this journey into a cleaner world. Before we go, let's reflect on the impact of projects like South Fork Wind. How will they shape our future? What do you think about New York's ambitious clean energy goals? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech and energy updates.